At STIHL, we're committed to developing world-leading petrol machines, particularly in forestry, where our roots as a company began. Setting new standards in the 60cc class, the new MS400.1 forestry chainsaw offers professionals the best power-to-weight ratio of any saw available in the market. Sitting in between the MS261cm and MS462cm, the new MS400.1 will replace the existing MS362 and MS400.0 models in the lineup. This isn't just a simple upgrade, however. The MS400.1 has been totally redeveloped from the ground up and is a completely new machine, taking it to the next level. The MS400.1 weighs 5.5 kilograms, 300 grams lighter than the original MS400, and has a smaller engine displacement of 62.6cc. Despite this, the MS400.1 still maintains an impressive power output of 3.9 kilowatts, resulting in the best power-to-weight ratio of any petrol chainsaw available. Another major and perhaps even more important advantage of the MS400.1 is the 4.3 Newton meters of torque, compared to 4.1 Newton meters on the previous version. When cutting large timber, the saw is less pressure sensitive and is therefore less likely to bog down mid-cut. Unlike all our professional petrol chainsaws, the MS400.1 uses our latest M-Tronic technology, resulting in easier starting and super fast acceleration. So, what else is new? As well as technical improvements to the engine, a larger magnesium flywheel and improved muffler help to keep the saw cool during operation. The geometry of the rear handle has also been improved for more comfortable handling, and the profile at the end has been widened to rest securely on your leg, resulting in easier plunge cutting. This, combined with the new compact design, makes the MS400.1 exceptionally easy to handle. The rib pattern on the underside has been optimised to help the saw glide along the trunk when snedding, preventing bark and twigs from getting caught. A new HD2 filter with an even larger surface area helps to keep the saw running in tough conditions and cuts down on potential maintenance and downtime during the working day. Located on the petrol tank, the new 50% marker gives a quick indication of total fuel level, helping you keep track of fuel consumption and fill up efficiently. We've also improved access to the oil pump control screw, meaning you can increase or decrease oil flow on the job with a standard combination tool, rather than a specialist screwdriver. The MS400.1 comes fitted with our light 06 guide bar and 1.6mm full chisel chain. For an easier sharpening experience, why not try out STIHL's Hexa chain? It features our patented hexagonal file that fits perfectly into the tooth's profile for a fast and high quality result. To find out more about the new MS400.1 petrol forestry chainsaw, visit your nearest STIHL approved dealer or stihl.co.uk.